here in school. We're celebrating the Vietnamese Teachers Day event for 2022. I'm going to show you what's cooking inside.
Mình cùng nhau đóng băng trên giây phút chúng ta chia xa và mình
Okay guys, so this is team main course. They're gonna make spaghetti bolognese. And over here we have the team soup. They're going to make pumpkin soup for us. Over here they are preparing the plates. Hey Carla! So the salad team is here. They're preparing a rocket salad.
Your fire, your one desire. Yes, I know it's too late, but I want it my way. Nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say that I want it that way.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher Day.
Thank you, teacher.
Hello, Happy Teacher Day.
On Vietnamese Teacher's Day, I would like to send my thanks to all my lecturers and head of department.
Thank you for teaching me and give me some good memory. Happy Vietnamese Teacher Day.
Happy Teacher Day and we wish you all the best.
Happy Vietnamese Teacher Day.
Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you. Happy Teacher Day.
Happy Teacher Day.
Happy Teacher Day.
Thank you very much.